Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. I've got a new Fujifilm simulation recipe to share with you today. Now this was shared to me by Mark G. Adams just over a week ago, and I just finally had the chance to get out and take some pictures. Now this is the Leica M10 Monochrom based on this. Now there's been a few tweaks to this recipe. I had shared it before on the channel, and it was created for the X-Trans IV sensor. This one has a few tweaks for the X-Trans IV. So if you have a newer Fujifilm camera like the X-T4 that I use, you'll want to check out this Fujifilm simulation. And you'll also want to check out Mark's website. He has a bunch of different film simulations. We've covered a few of them on the website before, but he created this new one and shared it with me just before he actually posted it. I was hoping to get some photos out before he actually posted it to his blog, but he beat me to it. That's okay though. I've got some photos here to share. I do really like this film simulation. I like the last film simulation, the Leica M10 Monochrom that he created. This one I like just as much as well. So I got out today, I took a walk around, not a POV. I'm gonna try and get a POV with this simulation probably tomorrow if I can get up early enough to get out and get some time to do it. But I went out today and took a walk along the C train line, which is in Calgary here. It is the train line that goes through the kind of middle of the city. So I kind of got some cool shots. There were some puddles with reflections along the C train line. So there's some kind of nice shots on this. A few shots, some architecture in there, thrown in there so you can see the sky and the clouds. I do really like this film simulation. So as always, I've numbered the photos, and let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite. Let me know if there's something that you want to give me a little bit of critique. I always appreciate your constructive criticism on the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed those ones. Thanks so much, Mark, for sharing these film simulation recipes. I love kind of getting out. It kind of gives me some new things to look for when I'm shooting, when I'm trying these different film simulations, black and white especially. I haven't shot black and white for ages, so it's kind of nice to get out there and do something for a little bit different. And I enjoyed it. So thanks, Mark, for sharing. I will leave the recipe in the description below. So if you have a Fuji with the X-Trans IV sensor and you want to give this one a try, give it a try. And as always, like I say, if you try this film simulation recipe and you are on Instagram, make sure if you're gonna share a photo that you like, tag me in the photo at my Instagram. I will leave down below. Tag my profile, I'll go take a look. And what I'm gonna start to do is I've started to share at the end of some of the videos. If people have tagged me in some of the recipes that they've used, I'm sharing kind of the community photos in some of my videos. So it's always kind of nice to see what other people and the types of photos that other people are taking with these recipes. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Again, I will get out there to do a POV, and we'll be using this film simulation again. So if you want to check that out and you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, all that good YouTube stuff. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. One more thanks to Mark for sharing this film simulation recipe, and have a great weekend.